students, in this video we will be discussing different numericals or questions which will clear your concepts regarding equivalent resistance, or basically when you need to take the resistors in series and when they are in parallel. So I'll explain you how to decide this concept, how to work upon it by this video. These questions which I am discussing right now are some of the important questions which have came in the last board years. So please be careful and watch the complete video. And if you do know these numericals, just pause my video, solve the numerical and check your answers and test your level of performance. So as you can see in this particular first numerical, we will be talking about the resistors which are arranged in the form of triangle. Now you can see, as from this particular first point, there are two resistors which are getting divided. Now students, this point is considered as the solo point. Now you will say why this is considered as the solo point. स्टूडेंट सोलो पॉइंट क्या होता है? ऐसा पॉइंट जहाँ से और कोई फर्दर डिविजन ना हो रही हो. अब स्टूडेंट्स, we have chosen B as the solo point, and from B we will be taking this and this resistors in series. So RS would turn out to be as R1 plus R2, or 2 plus 2, that is 4 ohm. Okay, so what I got, that the combination of these two resistors would be what? 4 ohm. Now in the next case, what would it turned out to be as? See, since the two resistors are in series, we'll get the condition in this particular manner, that there is one 4 ohm resistor and another 4 ohm resistor. So this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm now seems to be in parallel, and it turns out to be 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Why we have taken it as 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4? Because they are in parallel, and so 2 upon 4 would be our 1 upon Rp. We'll divide, it's 1 upon 2, and on reciprocating, Rp or R equivalent turned out to be 2 ohm. So this particular is our answer. Moving ahead to the next question. The next question is also the combination of resistors in which you need to decide which are in series and which are in parallel. As you can see in the figure, it is clearly visible that these three are in series. So first of all, we will be solving these three in series. And after solving, you can see it would turn out to be what? Tell me students. Yes. If you will solve 2 plus 3 plus 5, it would be 10. So we would be having one 10 over here and another 10 over there, which would appear to be in parallel after solving. Parallel solve होने के बाद हमारे पास पूरे इस circuit का combined resistance आ जाएगा. And whatever will be the combined resistance, we'll put this one, the combined resistance, and the third one in series. So we are moving ahead with this particular numerical in this following manner. First of all, it's clearly mentioned on the screen that R4, R5 and R6 are in series, as I have told you. So RS is equals to R4 plus R5 plus R6. What is R4, R5 and R6? 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is my 10 ohm. So this combined resistance turns out to be 10 ohm. After that, what we would be doing, students? We would be solving them in parallel. Means these series were 1 upon Rp, since they are in parallel manner, would equal to 1 upon Rs plus 1 upon 10. Rs in the last case we have discussed, it's 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 10, which would give me what answer? That 1 upon Rp equal to 2 upon 10 equal to 1 upon 5. So if we reciprocate, Rp would turn out to be what? 5 ohm. So our Rp is 5 ohm. So what I got, that the combination of these combined box is coming to be what? Yes, it's coming to be 5 ohm. So 5 ohm is the combination of this box. Now as I told you that this 2 ohm which is our R1 and R3 which is our 5 ohm, and another is this box which is combined we are getting as 5 ohm, will help us out in finding out the equivalent resistance. So how we will get the equivalent resistance was the combination, that is the R equivalent. So the R equivalent turns out to be Rp plus R1 plus R3. Now you can note down the values. What was our Rp? 5 ohm, R1 2 ohm and R3 again 5 ohm. So moving ahead, we will put up these values: 5 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 5 ohm. The sum turns out to be 12 ohm. So the equivalent resistance of this particular numerical turns out to be 12 ohm. Next, we do have again the question in which so many resistors are arranged in the form of triangle. We will choose the solo point. As I have explained to you in the first numerical of this particular video, the solo point is the C from where the no more circuit breaking occurs. And if we would solve out firstly this triangle, yes, I have told you in the first numerical that this and this would be in series. Why? Because there are no further circuit breakings. So how we will go ahead with solving out this numerical or with solving out this particular question? See, first of all we will take R1 and R2 in series. So we will take Rs as the sum of R1 plus R2. So it would be 3 plus 3, it would be 6 ohm. That would be our Rs जो इन दोनों का combination होगा. Then these two would be in parallel. So we will solve out 1 upon Rp is equal to what? 1 upon Rs plus 1 upon R3. What our Rs turned out to be 6. 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. After taking out the LCM, we will get 6, 1 plus 2, which turned out to be 3 upon 6. See students, 1 upon Rp is equal to 3 upon 6. Cancelling out, it would turn out to be 1 upon 2. So Rp would turn out to be 2 ohm on reciprocating. Now students, since our Rp turned out to be 2 ohm, so how would I conclude? As you will see in this, so how would I conclude? As you can see in this figure, this particular resistance, what the total turned out to be? Yes, the total of this circuit turned out to be 2 ohm. Now, if R4 and R5 are also there, and the combined circle which I have marked, it is coming to be what? It is coming to be 2 ohm. So we are having one resistance over here of 0.5 ohm, another which is the combined resistance which we have find out, it's 2 ohm, and the third one is again 0.5 ohm. So what's our circuit turning out to be? That this is 0.5 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and again this is 0.5 ohm. We will add up all of these, and what it would be turn out to be R equivalent, be your R equivalent. Yes, your R equivalent would be the sum of all that 0.5 plus 2 plus 0.5, and that is nothing else but the 3 ohm.